So in today's video, I am going to clean out the chicken coop and start getting my garden ready that's back there. Basically going to dump everything that's in the coop with the pine shavings, my chickens' fertilizer and all, back here in the garden and get it all tilled up. Because here in the next couple weeks, I'm going to be planting all my babies. If you've been following me at all, you've watched me germinate seeds, separate the seeds out, and get them to this point. What I'm doing now is I'm just setting them out. Today's actually the first day. It's about an 80-degree day, and I am hardening them off, which is basically preparing them for the outdoor weather and temperatures whenever I go to plant in my garden. So on to my chicken chores. I have the chickens out free-ranging today. It is a beautiful day for it. Try to let them out as often as possible. I've already collected the eggs. Broody Mama had one egg underneath her, and I noticed the other hens are starting to lay their eggs in other places, probably because Broody Mama's hoarding the eggs. But anyways, I got a few eggs today. Now I am going to go ahead and clean out the coop. I've done a couple of videos on how we have designed our chicken coop for those of you who are interested in getting chickens. And with all of our research, right before we built this a few years back, this is the plan that we came up with. So I wanted doors that were big enough. This is approximately, I think, close to 4 foot tall, because I wanted it to be easy where all I had to do was open the doors and have plenty of space for me to come in here and scoop this out. I did do a video on how I clean my coop and what I do, so I can link that if you're interested. There's Broody Mama. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this coop out using the wheelbarrow and shovel and dumping it on my garden back here so I can get it tilled in. But let me go ahead and get working. It's gonna take probably at least a half a dozen or more wheelbarrows full of the bedding. And I only cleaned the coop, the inside coop right here, maybe 2 to 3 times a year. I use the layering method. And I can honestly say anybody who's had chickens, they're amazed as to what we do and how we keep the stink down. So I got everything cleaned out. I swept everything out. This is a good time to sweep everything, even on the human side, which is on the other side over there, which is all in through here. I covered the coop floor with 1 bag of the medium pine shavings that I always get. And I only found 2 eggs this time in the coop floor. So I'm going to go ahead and close up these doors. Add the carabiner. This is everything from the coop. And I will go ahead and I will spread this out better before I come in and till it up one last time before I plant all my vegetables. Oh, quick update on my potato patch. If you haven't checked out that video and if you're interested in planting potatoes, I will go ahead and link that video down below. But look, they're already growing. So obviously what I did worked. We'll see how successful it was. It is quite a big bed this year. I'm getting excited. It's getting closer to the day. If you would like to continue following me on what this garden journey is going to look like for this year, be sure you subscribe and stay tuned as planting day is getting closer. I'd say here in the next couple of weeks. I think I'm going to end it there. That is a wrap, and until next time, thank you for watching.